I'm showing you an aircraft jack that I built that cost me, well, for two jacks, it cost about $300 worth of materials to build it. And it's better than a commercial jack, which will cost about $1,200. This jack will handle from 25 inches collapse to 45 inches fully extended, but I will also show you a 12-inch extension, which will turn the jack into a 37-inch to 57-inch jack for larger aircraft. It has a 4-ton jack on it, and some of the features is that there are casters on the legs, so you can easily move this thing around. But as soon as you apply weight on it, the casters are sprung, and the casters will retract, and then it's absolutely solid. And jack handle is stored right here, and you simply pump it up. And it has a safety using a cam lock on it. I opened up the hydraulic and not pressing down, and it's not going down. Unlock it, and now it does go down. And next I'll show you the 12-inch extension. Here is the 12-inch extension to raise the cylinder. To install that, you loosen the collar up here with a Allen hex wrench, and then raise the cylinder up. Insert the extension, lower the cylinder down into the extension, and then tighten the collar. And now the jack is up taller for larger aircraft. Now I'll show you jacking up my Piper Aztec. I've noticed that I've lowered the jack down to the 25-inch collapse height. I'm only going to jack up one side because I've only made one jack, because I'm going to show you how to build the other jack in this video. And first of all, I close the hydraulic release. And if you notice with the jack on casters, it's very easy to move the thing under the jack point. I've ground a hollow spot in the top of the jack to accept the jack point. And then as I apply, let's start lifting the aircraft, the casters automatically retract. Okay, I don't need to jack the thing all the way up just to demonstrate this. And put the lock on. and open up the, oh, okay. And in the next video, I'll show you how to build the jacks.